When you own a nice set of Wilwood brakes, you want to keep them looking good. Also, when you hear unwanted noise, it could mean you are overdue for a caliper inspection of wear plates, pistons, and pads. This video will walk you through a step-by-step process for cleaning and inspecting Wilwood's truck and off-road performance calipers. First of all, do not attempt to clean when your brakes are hot. To begin, coat the caliper with a non-abrasive cleaning solution like Simple Green or Shine Supply's Cool Guy. Using a soft bristle brush, work your way around the caliper. Rinse and repeat as needed to remove all the dust and dirt, then wipe dry. Next, remove the caliper mounting bolts. Punch out the brake pad retaining pins and hang the caliper out of the way, being sure to keep pressure and the weight of the caliper off the hose connection. Remove the rotor for better access and cleaning. Remove the pad retaining pins and brake pads, set aside. Also avoid pushing dirty pistons back into caliper body. Continue cleaning inside the caliper with cleaning solution, soft brush, and water. Avoid using a pressure washer near calipers as water could get forced past the seals and contaminate your brake fluid. During cleaning, you'll begin to notice the wear clips. Remove all 4 wear clips and set aside. Now is a good time to inspect the pistons and seals for excessive wear while continuing to clean inside and out. Be sure to wipe dry when done. Use your cleaning solution on the pad retaining pins and wear clips. If any parts need replacing, now is a good time. At this point, when everything is clean and dry, it's a good time to push the pistons back into the caliper. Reinstall clean and dry wear clips into the caliper and wipe the backing plate of the brake pads clean as well, being careful to keep the pad friction material clean and dry from any contaminants. Insert the retaining pins to hold the pads in place during reassembly. Reinstall the rotor using 3 lug nuts to hold in place for caliper mounting. Add a drop of red Loctite 271 to the mounting bolts and remount the caliper. Tighten to the recommended torque spec for your caliper and tap in the pad retaining pins to seat them properly. Apply one final cleaning, wipe dry, and remount your wheel to the advised torque spec. Be sure to pump your brakes several times to build pedal pressure before driving your vehicle. If you have any questions or concerns about this procedure, please contact our support lines for assistance. For important details about remounting, refer to original instructions or visit wilwood.com for guidance on your specific brake kit.